Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to sign out of CoinGecko on your mobile device using the CoinGecko application. Signing out is very useful if you are switching accounts using a shared device or just want extra security, so let's jump straight into it. First of all, open the CoinGecko app on your device, and from the main home page or the market page, click on Profile at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, scroll all the way down until you see the Sign Out option. To log out of your account, click on Sign Out, and in the pop-up, click on Sign Out once again. Soon after you tap on the Sign Out button, this will confirm that you want to log out, and this will sign you out of your CoinGecko account. That's how you easily sign out of CoinGecko. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.